Assalamu alaikum. This is a quick video where I will demonstrate how the coordinator has to configure the CLO assessment process before instructors start entering grades. Okay, so so this should be done, let's say a week before the maximum, a week before the exams, the final exams start. So so the coordinator here, first of all, sorry, the administrator, first of all, has to add the course to the coordinator. Okay, this is something that normally is done from the beginning of the semester, but I just want to create a new course here to show you. So let's say we will use SE322 for testing, for demonstrating here. So now if I add SE322 here, automatically the coordinator for this course, the coordinator is this faculty member. So on the right we have an admin user. On the left you have a faculty member. So you can see that now this user here is seeing the SE322 course. So he can right away go here to the CLO analysis configuration. Okay, and here he can create the assessments. Okay, these are the CLOs of the course. Now he can add assessments. Let's say, for example, he will add the project, and the rule here is that he has at least to select 60 points. Okay, so let's say for the project we have 20 points, and then the project is decomposed into components. Let's say part 1 is out of 8 points and is mapped to these two CLOs. And then we can add a second component. So this is the button here. Part 2, 8 points mapped to CLO 3, 4. And then finally the presentation, for example, part 3, 6 points mapped to these 3 CLOs. Okay, so that's the project. Then he can create a second assessment. Final exam, for example. Max points, so here 40 points. And then he can have, let's say, 4 components. Okay, so let's say question 1, question 2, question 3, and question 4. So let's say here we have 10 points, here we have 15, here we have 10, and here we have 5. Okay, and then he has to select the mapping to CLOs. Once he finishes this, he can save as draft. If he saves as draft, these are not usable by the instructor. Okay? They have to be published. Okay, so now if let's say if we had sections, I will create sections for that course. Okay, so I will add a section. Let's call it 1979, for example. I will assign it to this instructor, the same. And the second section, 1981, same thing, same instructor. Okay, now the instructor, when he opens his dashboard, he will be able to see these 2 sections. So this one and this one. Okay, when he enters student and grades here, he can see this CLO configuration not published. Okay, so he cannot start entering the grades, but he can add students. he can prepare his student list. Okay, you can see that I added student, but let me show you a better way to add students. Let's say I'm opening on another screen. I'm opening a grade sheet, just to I'll just hide the names. Okay, let's say I have this sheet here. Okay, you can come here and copy a column and click on this button here, bulk add, paste, remove the last line, it doesn't matter, I think, and add all. Click on add all, and you will be able to add all your students, so you don't have to add them one by one. I will remove the last one. Okay, so so that's what the instructor can do for right now. Okay. Okay, so now the coordinator has to publish his CLO or grades decomposition. Okay, if he clicks on publish here, he can make changes. If he clicks on publish, now the instructor will be able to enter the grades. So if I come back here to sections as instructor, if I come here, I can click on enter grades, and I will be able to start entering the grades. Okay, so now instead of entering the grades one by one, of course you can do that, but instead of doing this, if you prepare, if the course coordinator prepares this decomposition early, the course instructor will be able to download this table as Excel sheet. So now we have it as an Excel sheet. Okay, he can use it to enter his grades. Okay, so the Excel sheet should not be changed. You can add things after these columns, but it should not be changed, and you cannot just copy what's inside. Okay, there's a hidden ID inside the file that is useful to make sure that this corresponds exactly to this page. Okay, so here the instructor can export this, can enter his grades, and then once he entered the grades, okay, of course here you have there are constraints because this part is out of 8 points. You cannot enter a number that is bigger than 8. So let's say I enter 6 here. I'll just enter like same number everywhere, but maybe not everywhere, just to show that the import is working correctly, or otherwise it will not be. These are out of 10, so I'll put 9, for example. Here I'll put 8. And so on. Okay, now I save. Okay, and now once I enter the grades, I can import. Okay, grade 9 is out of range. Okay, grade 9 is out of range because I copy pasted it. Which one? Okay, so this one is out of range. Should be 4 maximum. Sorry, 5 maximum. The other ones are okay. Here we have a grade that is after the line, but that's okay, I think. So now we can import normally. And now we have our grades imported. Okay. So that's it. Now we can go to the indirect survey and continue the next steps. So for now, I just wanted to show you what the coordinator has to do. So just go here and add the assessments. Okay, thank you very much.